Hi there, morning everyone. Just give me 2 minutes of your time this morning if you are an Excel user. I've been using Excel for the past most probably 20 to 30 years and presenting courses and teaching people how to effectively use Excel. Now I know you've probably been using Excel for quite a while and to do your monthly reporting or your budget using Excel spreadsheets. I would like to invite you to enroll for one of my courses where I will train you the more advanced features within Microsoft Excel. There are so many new developments within Excel over the past few years, and I would like to show you and teach you how to use these tools, especially tools like Microsoft Power Query and Power Pivot. These are amazing tools that I promise you will decrease the amount of hours you spend each month of the year doing your monthly reporting. For example, I've had a file at my workplace where every end of the month I have to update the file, and it literally took me 3 hours every time. I can promise you, and I will show this to you whenever we might meet up, that it now takes me 3 minutes. Yes, 3 hours into 3 minutes. I promise you, that is what you can do with Microsoft Power Query. I present these courses on a regular basis, on a one-on-one basis, maybe at your office or even at your home if you need to be training privately or in small groups. So please contact me and arrange for me to meet up with you. I can also do the training using Zoom. I can promise you, I will give you your money back if you're not satisfied with my training. Have a look at my website as well at www.excelwithchris.com for all the testimonials of clients that I have actually trained. You will not be sorry. Hope to hear from you soon. Ciao.